Have you ever dreamt of owning your own private oasis? Well, guess what? I found it, but I'm too busy enjoying it. Hey Manpreet, can you tell these folks all about this beautiful property?
Thanks, Sherry. This 1.13 acre private oasis offers endless opportunities, whether you're looking to build your dream home or enjoy the space as it is. This property features a renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom rancher and a completely updated separate cottage, perfect for extended family and guests. Let's take a look.
So, are you ready to make this your own private oasis?
Give us a call today. Properties like this with space and privacy don't come around often.
I'm Sherry.
And I'm Manpreet Sidhu with the Sherry Saran Real Estate Group,
Where creating better lives is our purpose.